Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you all about the top 5 bags to wear to elevate any fall or winter look. So these are my top 5 favorite bags to pull out when fall and winter roll around. And of course I know that you can wear all of your handbags year round, but there are a few handbags that I really do prefer to wear in the fall and winter. And that's because I think that they just really go well with the clothing. I think the colors of the season work really well with these handbags. And I really do think that these bags can elevate your fall and winter look. So I'm going to be going over each bag and I'm going to be talking a little bit about why I think that these handbags especially work great with fall and winter looks. And then I'm going to be showing you mod shots and how I would style these bags. So if you're interested in learning about which handbags can really elevate your fall and winter looks, keep watching. But if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Anne. Welcome. I make weekly videos on fashion and lifestyle, and I'd love for you to subscribe down below and be part of my YouTube family. So that being said, let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first bag that I almost immediately pull out when fall rolls around is my Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in the reverse monogram. And I think that this applies both to the regular monogram Pochette Metis and the reverse monogram. And although I do wear this bag year round, there's just something about wearing this bag in the fall. And I think it's because of the colors. I think that this reverse monogram especially works amazing with camel colored clothing, more rich fall colors. I just think it pairs so well. I mean, look how well it goes with this outfit. I mean, I just love it. And I have re-fallen in love with this bag, guys. I had kind of put this away for a little bit. I wore it a little bit in the summer, but to be honest, I hadn't worn this bag in a little bit. But I recently went to Paris with my mom and I took this bag with me. And guys, I fell in love with this bag all over again. It is just such an amazing bag. It's so practical and it looks so amazing with all of my fall outfits. I wear a lot of camel in the fall, guys. I just think it looks very, very chic. I wear a lot of neutrals and this bag just pops so well on all of my fall outfits. I'll show you what I mean. I have this one camel coat again that I love pairing this with. I think that the colors in it, the brown colors, really pull out the camel so beautifully. And what I like about this bag is it's not the smallest bag. Don't get me wrong, this isn't a huge bag by any means, but it fits everything you need. And it's not a mini bag, meaning when you're wearing fall and winter clothes and you're wearing stuff that is more long sleeve, maybe a little bit bulkier, when you wear a really small mini bag, sometimes it can seem overwhelming when you're wearing so many different layers. But I think that this bag really suits fall and winter wardrobes so well. I think it looks so beautiful against the backdrop of fall with all the leaves turning colors. I think it's just gorgeous. So this is the first bag that I always pull out in the fall and winter, and I really, really enjoy wearing it. Okay guys, the next bag that I pull out when fall and winter rolls around is my Givenchy Antigona in the small size with the smooth black leather. Guys, this bag is so amazing. Guys, this is my boss bag. I'm not sure if I've ever said that out loud. But yes, this is my boss bag, guys. When I wear this, I feel like a boss. I feel amazing. There's just something about this bag. I think the size too, the smooth leather, but I think that this would work also in the pebbled leather as well. I think it's also very beautiful. But this bag, guys, I don't know. There's something about fall and winter. I like to wear slightly bigger bags in fall and winter, and that's because of what I said previously. I'm usually wearing more bulky clothing items in the fall and winter. I have a heavy jacket on maybe, and I want a bag that is a little bit larger, that kind of is proportional with everything that I'm wearing. And this bag has an amazing strap drop, guys. It works so well. You wear it on your shoulder, but you don't feel like it's like getting stuck underneath your arm. So I really like how this sits on your body. And of course, this looks amazing hand carried too, guys. It looks so good. And I love this bag with boots, guys. It looks so good with boots. Also with leather leggings. It looks awesome. I think that it's a little bit more edgy too, which I love because I think my fall and winter wardrobe tends to be a little bit more edgy than my spring and summer. I think for spring and summer, you're usually going for a more easy breezy kind of look. And this bag is not easy breezy. This bag is a boss bag. So this bag I immediately pull out when fall and winter rolls around, and I wear it a lot. And and you can fit so much in this bag, guys. And in the winter, like I've said before, I carry more things in the winter. I'm carrying things because I might get cold later, like a hat and gloves and a scarf. I can fit all of that in here, guys. I can fit all of that and more in this bag. And guys, to me, this bag is classic. It's been around for a long time. It still looks amazing. I think it's still relevant. I think it's gonna be relevant for many years. And I think that's because it's such a classic shape, guys. This bag is such a classic shape. There's nothing super trendy about this bag, in my opinion. I know that this bag was super popular a few years ago, but I don't think that it's a trendy looking piece so that it will look outdated in a few years. I think this bag is going strong and I still love it. Okay guys, the next bag that I always pull out when fall and winter rolls around is my Balenciaga City bag. And this is in the small size, I believe. And this is the metallic edge collection with the gold hardware. Guys, this bag is beautiful. And guys, when I was deciding a few years ago which color combination I was gonna get, I was really deciding between this or maybe a gray color. And I was really going back and forth between silver hardware and gold hardware. And when I decided to go with a classic black, I tried both the silver and the gold hardware on, and there was just something about the gold hardware. It was just something like unique against black. I couldn't look away from it, so I knew I had to get it. But this is such an amazing bag to pull out in the fall and winter. Again, in the spring and summer, I'm going for more of an easy breezy look, and this is a little bit more edgy of a bag. Can you guys picture this with a leather jacket and some combat boots? Ooh. Would look so good, right? And I think this is a great bag to wear a crossbody in the fall. Again, it's a small bag, but it's not a super mini bag, so it doesn't look out of place with bulkier jackets and bulkier sweaters. And I think that this also looks amazing with athleisure. And when fall and winter rolls around, I like to be warm and cozy, a little bit more comfortable. So I do incorporate some athleisure more into my outfits in the fall and winter. And like I said before, I think athleisure can look super chic if you do it right. So I think if you have a really put together athleisure look and you add a bag like this to it, it really, really elevates it, and I think it looks amazing. So I know that the City bag has been around for so long, guys, but to me, it's a classic. It's Balenciaga's classic bag for me. And it's come out in so many different colors, leathers, hardwares, and I don't see this bag going anywhere in years to come. I think they're still gonna produce it. They're still gonna change the leather up, change out the hardware, but it's still gonna be around in some capacity. And I really do think that this is classic. Just how I think that motorcycle jackets aren't going anywhere, I don't think this bag is either. So this is another great pick for fall and winter. Okay guys, so my next bag choice that will help elevate any fall and winter look is more of a category, and that is metallic bags. And I have my mini Fendi Peekaboo in silver leather with the silver hardware. And guys, this bag is so beautiful. It's coming out really bright on camera, of course, because the light is shining off of it. But this bag is so beautiful, guys. And I love metallic bags. I think that they really are a neutral, but I tend to wear them more in the fall and winter. And I think that that's because, I don't know, metallic can be kind of a serious statement. And for some reason, I think my outfits are a little bit more serious in the fall and winter. And I think that goes back to what I was saying earlier about spring and summer being more of an easy breezy type of dressing for me. I think that this looks amazing with fall and winter looks. There's something about this also in the winter when things get really gray out. It's nice to have such a pop of brightness on you. There's just something about this, and it's something synonymous with, you know, snow and ice. I just think the metallic is perfect for fall and winter. And there's just something about a metallic bag that really elevates any outfit. You could be wearing any outfit, you really could. I think you could be wearing the blandest outfit and you add a metallic bag to it and you just elevated your outfit. So although I don't gravitate to this bag as much in the spring and summer, I do always pull it out in the fall and winter, and I really, really enjoy it. I actually wore this bag today, now that I think about it. We just went to Home Depot, grabbed some paint for a room that we're about to paint, but yeah, I took this bag with me and yeah, it just makes me smile. Okay guys, the last bag I have for you that I think elevates any fall or winter look is my Chanel Jumbo in the caviar leather in the silver hardware. And guys, this bag, this is my holy grail bag. I absolutely love this bag. And although I love it a lot, I tend to wear different sizes of Chanel flaps more so in the spring and summer. But this puppy is what I pull out when fall and winter rolls around. this big bag. And again, I like a bigger bag in the fall and winter. I just do. And guys, the strap drop on this is amazing. I think when the strap is doubled up, it really just hangs in the perfect spot for you to wear any type of coat. I think you could be wearing a big puffer coat and this is still going to fit comfortably with it. So I absolutely love this in the fall and winter. Again, this bag will fit a little bit more obviously than the medium large or the mini flap. So again, if you need to carry some extra items like gloves or a hat, you can stuff it in here. It's gonna fit no problem. And again, there's something about a larger bag in the fall and winter that really makes things look proportional with your outfits. And I think in the fall and winter, you're trying to be comfortable, you're trying to be cozy, and then you just hit them bam with the Chanel Jumbo, right? I mean, how couldn't this elevate any outfit? Okay guys, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's certain bags that you like to pull out in the fall and winter. Is it just me? Am I the only person that has certain bags that they prefer to wear in different seasons? Let me know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.